The equivalent resistance between the terminals A and B is given all the resistor values are in ohms. Before solving any problem, first we need to identify the node points. If you look at here, the A and this is B, node B, the examiner has given. Now we need to identify remaining node points. This node point is called C. Because it is common wire, all these are C only. With respect to here, this is D. This is also D. It is a common wire, and this is also a D point. If you look at here, there is a resistor, that is the region. Can I take it? It is E. Can I take it? This is F. Now, if you look at, there is a current is passing, if I am assuming, between these three and these three. Those three are connected in series. Because the same current is flowing through 3 and 3. So obviously these two are connected in series. Whenever it is connected in series, what is the equivalent resistance between R, E, D is equal to, if two resistances are connected in series, the equivalent resistance is R1 plus R2. Then it is REF plus it is RFD. Now it is 3 plus 3, it will be 3 plus 3 is equal to, it is 6 ohms. Now if I am taking, it is 3, this is, it is 20, A, B. Now I am redrawing the diagram because it is C point and this is D point. If you look at it, there is a 5 ohms. Similarly, and this C and D, this is 8. This is also C point and this is also D point. The problem is looking like very complicated, but it is very simple if you redraw the diagram. Now again this is E point, and across E and D there is 5 ohms. 5 ohms. Again across E and D there is 8 ohms. What about these? Already you are calculated, it is across E and D. This is E and this is D. The resistance is 6 ohms. Now if you look at E point and D point, there are 3 resistors are there, 5, 6 and 8. All are connected in parallel. Why all are connected in parallel? Because the starting points are same and the ending points are same. Whenever starting points of these 3, if I am considering, it is E. If I am considering ending points, then all the points are same, that is called D. Then what is the equivalent resistance? If I am considering, this is 1 by R equivalent is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Similar way, if I am considering RED is equal to, this is 1 by 5 plus 1 by 8 plus it is 1 by 6. Now if I am calculating the one, what is RED, is equal to RED is equal to, it is 2.0339 ohms. Now, if I'm taking redrawing the circuit, this is 20 ohms, this is 3 ohms, this is A and this is B. Now, across C and D, the 5 ohms and 8 ohms are in parallel. Whenever it is in parallel, then what is the equivalent resistance across C and D? That is RCD is equal to. Why it is in C and D are in parallel? Because the starting points are same, that is C, ending points are same, that is D. So these two are connected in parallel. So 5 into 8 by 5 plus 8. Because if two resistances are connected in parallel, then R1 R2 by R1 plus R2, that will be coming as 3.0679 ohms. This will be 3.60679, and this is C point and this is D point. Now this is 4 ohms resistor. Now if you calculate, already you are calculated across E and D, the resistance is, it is 2.0339 ohms. If you assume a current passing through the 4 ohms and the 2.0339, those two are connected in series. Whenever it is connected in series, then the equivalent resistance across C and D is, this is 3, this will be 3.0679, and here there is a 20 ohms, this is A and this will be B. Because these two are connected in series, the equivalent resistance across, this is C point and this is D point. Then the equivalent resistance, it is 4 plus 2.0339, that is equal to 6.0339 ohms. If you carefully observe it, this 3.30679 and this one are in parallel. If you are calculating, that is two are connected in parallel, then the equivalent resistance what you are getting is R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. Then this is 20 ohms, this is A, this is B, this is 20 ohms. Then it will be R1 R2 by R1 plus R2, 0.679 multiplied with 0.0339 divided by, this is 3.0679 plus, it is 6.0339, that will be coming as, it will be 3.6284. The, if you take it these three, if you assume a current, the same current is passing through all the branches, then if I'm taking the R equivalent resistance across A and B, that is equal to, all are connected in series, then RAC plus RCD plus RDB, that is equal to 3 plus 3.6284 plus, it is 20, that will be coming as 26.6284 26.84 ohms. The final answer is 26.6284.